Hi friends, today I'm going to be showing you how to remove and install a new application of cushion grip on your denture. First things first, get you a cup of hot but not boiling water and submerge your tube of cushion grip in it. Now for me, since I'm going to be removing this application of cushion grip from my denture, I'm going to go ahead and put this in the water as well. We're going to leave those in there for 10 minutes. After soaking the denture for 10 minutes with the old application in, you're going to peel out the old layer like so. There you have it. If you have any stubborn or hard to reach places, say for instance you have a deep trough like I do, then you can use a wooden cuticle pusher to get it out. The first step is going to be to wash and dry your denture thoroughly. This is crucial. Now, get your tube of cushion grip out of the water after you've soaked it for 10 minutes. You want to dry it off. Take the key, squeeze out about a quarter size. Take it out, put the lid back on really fast. Rub it in between your palms briskly until it's no longer sticky. Rub it into a gummy worm. And then start from one end of the gum line to the other. And then I do about half and get some more cushion grip. Usually I don't put it on my palette, but today I did. I put a little bit too much, so I put a thin layer. As I said, that's a personal preference. If you want to put it on there, you can. If not, that's fine too. Now let this denture set out for 2 to 5 minutes. Let the denture set for 2 minutes before putting it in your mouth. Once it's set for 2 minutes, seat the denture in your mouth and press it up into your suck zone with your finger. And bite down. Not too hard, just naturally. If you clench down too hard, too much will seep out and it won't fit right. So you want to clench just naturally. Keep the denture in your mouth for 2 hours before taking it out. Once the 2-hour mark is up, you can take it out and trim it as needed. I would definitely wait 4 hours before eating anything, but that's a personal preference. At the very least, wait 2. Another tip is to not soak the denture in any liquids for 24 hours. Once the 24-hour mark is up, you can soak, brush, and scrub just as you normally would. Thanks for watching. Peace, love, smiles.